Question 1. Giving a model an instruction with no worked examples and expecting it to perform the task is called what? Is it A. Few-shot prompting? B. Fine-tuning? C. Zero-shot prompting? D. Chain-of-thought prompting? The correct answer is C. Zero-shot prompting provides only the instruction, with no examples. Few-shot includes a handful of demonstrations, while fine-tuning changes the model's weights rather than just the prompt. Question 2. Which AWS service can serve as the vector store backing an Amazon Bedrock knowledge base? Is it A. Amazon Polly? B. Amazon OpenSearch Serverless? C. Amazon Transcribe Speech-to-Text? D. AWS CloudTrail? The correct answer is B. Amazon OpenSearch Serverless offers a vector engine that stores embeddings for similarity search behind a Bedrock knowledge base. Polly, Transcribe, and CloudTrail are unrelated to vector storage. Question 3. Telling a model you are an experienced tax advisor. Before giving it the task is an example of what? Is it A. Fine-tuning? B. Role, persona, prompting? C. Data augmentation technique? D. Vector search? The correct answer is B. Assigning the model a role or persona in the prompt guides its tone, framing, and domain focus. It shapes the response through wording only and does not change the model's weights like fine-tuning. Question 4. Which AWS service creates and manages the cryptographic keys used to encrypt data for AI and ML workloads? Is it A. Amazon Macie? B. AWS CloudTrail? C. AWS Key Management Service, AWS KMS? D. Amazon Comprehend? The correct answer is C. AWS KMS creates, stores, and controls the encryption keys used to protect data at rest across services. Macie discovers sensitive data, CloudTrail logs activity, and Comprehend analyzes text. Question 5. Disclosing to users that they are interacting with an AI system and explaining its limitations supports which principle? Is it A. Latency? B. Scalability? C. Cost control and budgeting? D. Transparency? The correct answer is D. Being open about the system's AI nature, capabilities, and limits so users can judge it appropriately is transparency. The other options are operational or financial attributes, not disclosure principles. Question 6. Condensing a long report into a short paragraph of its key points is which generative AI task? Is it A. Classification? B. Clustering? C. Text summarization? D. Named entity extraction? The correct answer is C. Producing a shorter version that preserves the key points is text summarization, a common generative AI use case. Classification assigns labels and clustering groups data, neither of which rewrites the content into a summary. Question 7. Where can a customer download AWS compliance reports, such as SOC and ISO certifications, to support governance? Is it A. Amazon Kendra? B. AWS Artifact? C. Amazon Polly? D. Amazon Textract? The correct answer is B. AWS Artifact is the self-service portal for AWS compliance reports and agreements, SOC, ISO, PCI, and more. The other services search content, synthesize speech, or extract document text. None provide compliance artifacts. Question 8. Which AWS service helps continuously collect evidence and map it to frameworks to simplify audits of AI or ML and other workloads? Is it A. AWS Audit Manager? B. Amazon Polly? C. Amazon Rekognition? D. Amazon Translate? The correct answer is A. AWS Audit Manager automates evidence collection and maps it to compliance frameworks, streamlining audits. Polly, Rekognition, and Translate are AI application services, not audit automation tools. Question 9. Modern large language models are built primarily on which neural network architecture? Is it A. Convolutional neural networks? B. The transformer architecture? C. Decision trees? D. Linear regression? The correct answer is B. Transformers, which use self-attention, are the foundation of modern LLMs and most generative models. CNNs are common in classic computer vision, while decision trees and linear regression are traditional ML methods. Question 10. Generating a working function from a natural language description of what it should do is an example of which generative AI use case? Is it A. Code generation? B. Data encryption? C. Language translation? D. Image classification? The correct answer is A. Turning a plain language request into source code is code generation, a strength of coding-focused models and assistants such as Amazon Q Developer. The other options do not produce code. Question 11. Which field of AI focuses on enabling machines to understand and generate human language? Is it A. Computer vision? B. Reinforcement learning? C. Natural language processing, NLP? D. Robotic process automation software? The correct answer is C. Natural language processing, NLP, covers understanding and generating human language, for example translation, sentiment analysis, and chatbots. Computer vision instead deals with images and video. Question 12. Suggesting products a customer is likely to buy based on their past behavior is an example of which ML application? Is it A. Anomaly detection? B. Optical character recognition? C. A recommendation system? D. Speech synthesis? The correct answer is C. Predicting items a user will like from past behavior is a recommendation system. Anomaly detection flags unusual data points, OCR reads text from images, and speech synthesis generates audio. Question 13. Besides OpenSearch, which AWS database can store vector embeddings for RAG by using the vector extension? Is it A. Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL? B. Amazon Redshift? C. Amazon DynamoDB key value tables? D. Amazon Neptune? The correct answer is A. Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL supports the vector extension to store and query embeddings, making it a viable vector store for RAG. The other databases are not the vector-based option referenced here. Question 14. Which AWS service uses machine learning and threat intelligence to continuously detect malicious activity across your AWS accounts? Is it A. Amazon Comprehend? B. Amazon Guard Duty? C. Amazon Poly? D. Amazon Lex? The correct answer is B. Amazon Guard Duty continuously analyzes account activity and network data to detect threats and anomalies. Comprehend analyzes text, Poly synthesizes speech, and Lex builds chatbots. None are threat detection services. Question 15. Which AWS service makes it easy to add human review of ML predictions when confidence is low or the stakes are high? Is it A. Amazon Translate Language Translation Service? B. Amazon Poly? C. Amazon Augmented AI, Amazon A2I? D. Amazon Forecast? The correct answer is C. Amazon A2I builds human review workflows into ML applications, routing uncertain or high-stakes predictions to people. Poly, Translate, and Forecast are unrelated application services. Question 16. Which Amazon Bedrock pricing approach charges per token processed with no long-term commitment, suiting variable workloads? Is it A. Provision throughput? B. Reserved instances? C. A one-year commitment plan? D. On-demand inference? The correct answer is D. On-demand inference bills for the tokens you actually process, with no commitment, ideal for spiky or exploratory use. Provisioned throughput instead reserves capacity for steady, high-volume needs. Question 17. Automatically spotting defective products on an assembly line from camera images is an example of which AI capability? Is it A. Natural language processing? B. Speech recognition? C. Computer vision? D. Time series forecasting? The correct answer is C. Analyzing images or video to detect objects, defects, or scenes is computer vision. NLP handles text, speech recognition converts audio to text, and forecasting predicts future values from time series data. Question 18. Which tool summarizes how many predictions a classifier got right and wrong for each class? Is it A. Learning rate schedule? B. An embedding vector? C. A loss function? D. A confusion matrix? The correct answer is D. A confusion matrix lays out true positives, true negatives, and false negatives per class, making classification performance easy to inspect. A loss function guides training but does not summarize per class results this way. Question 19. A marketing team wants to create original concept artwork from written descriptions. Which generative AI capability fits? Is it A. Sentiment analysis? B. Text-to-image generation? C. Speech-to-text transcription? D. Anomaly detection? The correct answer is B. Generating novel images from text prompts is text-to-image generation. Sentiment analysis and anomaly detection analyze existing data, and speech-to-text transcribes audio rather than creating images. Question 20. Grounding outputs in trusted sources and checking them for factual accuracy chiefly supports which responsible AI goal? Is it A. Veracity and truthfulness, reducing hallucination? B. Higher throughput? C. Lower latency? D. Smaller model size? The correct answer is A. Ensuring outputs are truthful and well-grounded targets veracity, directly countering hallucination. Latency, throughput, and model size are performance attributes, not truthfulness safeguards. Question 21. A team tests whether a model still behaves safely and correctly when given unusual or adversarial inputs. Which responsible AI dimension does this address? Is it A. Robustness? B. Transparency? C. Explainability? D. Cost efficiency? The correct answer is A. Robustness is about reliable, safe behavior even under noisy, unexpected, or adversarial inputs. Transparency and explainability concern openness and understanding decisions, which is a different concern. Question 22. What is a prompt template? Is it A. reusable prompt structure with placeholders that are filled in with specific inputs at runtime? B. A trained copy of the model's weights? C. A vector database index? D. An IAM permission boundary? Question 23. A production application needs guaranteed, consistent inference capacity for a specific Amazon Bedrock model. Which option fits? Is it A. Provisioned throughput? B. Spot capacity? C. On-demand inference pricing? D. An EC2 savings plan? The correct answer is A. Provisioned throughput reserves dedicated model capacity for steady, predictable performance, often required for large or latency-sensitive workloads. On-demand bills per token but does not reserve capacity. Question 24. Which service collects metrics, logs, and alarms to monitor the operational health and usage of AI workloads? Is it A. Amazon Macy for sensitive data discovery? B. AWS Artifact? C. Amazon Translate? D. Amazon CloudWatch? The correct answer is D. Amazon CloudWatch gathers metrics and logs and can trigger alarms, giving operational visibility into AI and other workloads. Macy finds sensitive data, Artifact provides compliance docs, and Translate converts languages. Question 25. A user hides malicious instructions inside input text to trick an LLM into ignoring its original instructions. What is this security risk called? Is it A. Overfitting? B. Data drift? C. Prompt injection? D. Model hallucination? The correct answer is C. Prompt injection manipulates a model by smuggling instructions into its input to override intended behavior. Hallucination is fabricated output, and drift or overfitting are training-related issues, not input attacks. Question 26. Designing an AI system so operators can guide, override, or shut it down when needed reflects which responsible AI dimension? Is it A. Controllability? B. Fairness? C. Explainability and interpretability? D. Portability? The correct answer is A. Controllability is the ability to steer, correct, or stop an AI system's behavior, an important safeguard. Explainability is about understanding decisions and fairness about equitable outcomes, which are separate dimensions. Question 27. Where in the Amazon Bedrock console can you quickly test prompts against different foundation models before building an application? Is it A. AWS CloudTrail? B. The Bedrock Playgrounds, text, chat, and image? C. AWS Config? D. Amazon Macy? The correct answer is B. Bedrock Playgrounds let you experiment with prompts and compare model responses interactively before you build. CloudTrail, Macy, and Config are security and governance tools, not prompt testing surfaces. Question 28. Which AWS service is a generative AI assistant that answers questions and generates content grounded in a company's own enterprise data and systems? Is it A. Amazon Q Business? B. Amazon Rekognition? C. Amazon Q Developer? D. Amazon Comprehend? The correct answer is A. Amazon Q Business is an enterprise generative AI assistant that connects to company data sources to answer questions and generate content. Amazon Q Developer targets coding and AWS development tasks instead. Question 29. Which inference parameter limits how long a model's generated response can be? Is it A. The maximum tokens, maximum length, setting? B. The top K setting? C. The temperature setting? D. The stop sequence termination configuration setting? The correct answer is A. Maximum tokens caps the length of the generated output. Temperature and top K shape randomness and diversity, and stop sequences end generation at specific text but do not by themselves set an overall length limit. Question 30. What is the recommended AWS service for securely storing and automatically rotating an API key used by an AI application? Is it A. AWS Secrets Manager? B. Amazon S3 with public access enabled? C. A plaintext file in the code repository? D. Amazon Rekognition? The correct answer is A. AWS Secrets Manager securely stores credentials and can rotate them automatically, keeping secrets out of code. Public S3 or plaintext in repo would expose secrets, and Rekognition is a vision service. Question 31. Where do you typically store the source documents that an Amazon Bedrock knowledge base ingests? Is it A. Inside an IAM policy? B. In an Amazon S3 bucket connected as the knowledge base data source? C. Inside a CloudTrail log? D. Inside the model's weights? The correct answer is B. Knowledge bases commonly ingest documents from an Amazon S3 data source, then embed and index them for retrieval. IAM policies grant permissions and CloudTrail logs activity, neither stores the documents. Question 32. Which offering lets people experiment with and build generative AI apps in a no-code playground based on Amazon Bedrock? Is it A. Amazon SageMaker ground truth data labeling? B. Amazon Macy. C. AWS CloudTrail. D. PartyRock, an Amazon Bedrock playground? The correct answer is D. PartyRock is a no-code, hands-on playground built on Amazon Bedrock for experimenting with and sharing generative AI apps. Ground Truth labels data, Macy finds sensitive data, and CloudTrail logs API activity. Question 33. Which Amazon SageMaker capability lets business analysts build ML models through a no-code visual interface? Is it A. Amazon SageMaker Clarify? B. Amazon SageMaker Model Monitor? C. Amazon SageMaker Ground Truth? D. Amazon SageMaker Canvas? The correct answer is D. Amazon SageMaker Canvas provides a no-code, point-and-click interface so business users can build and use ML models without writing code. Clarify detects bias, Ground Truth labels data, and Model Monitor watches deployed models. Question 34. Which Amazon Bedrock customization method further trains a model on large amounts of your unlabeled domain text to adapt its general knowledge? Is it A. Zero-shot prompting? B. Continued pre-training? C. Provisioned throughput capacity reservation? D. Guardrails? The correct answer is B. Continued pre-training uses large unlabeled domain corpora to adapt a model's broad knowledge. Fine-tuning instead uses labeled examples. Provisioned throughput is a capacity option and guardrails handle safety. Question 35. Which Amazon SageMaker feature documents a model's intended use, training details, and risk ratings to support governance? Is it A. Amazon SageMaker Model Monitor? B. Amazon SageMaker Model Cards? C. Amazon SageMaker Ground Truth? D. Amazon SageMaker Canvas? The correct answer is B. SageMaker Model Cards capture a model's purpose, data, performance, and risk information in one place for governance and accountability. Model Monitor watches drift, Ground Truth labels data, and Canvas builds models. Question 36. Which Amazon SageMaker capability offers pre-trained models and pre-built solution templates to help you get started quickly? Is it A. Amazon SageMaker Data Wrangler? B. Amazon SageMaker Model Monitor? C. Amazon SageMaker Jumpstart? D. Amazon SageMaker Clarify? The correct answer is C. Amazon SageMaker Jumpstart provides pre-trained models, foundation models, and pre-built solution templates for a fast start. Data Wrangler prepares data, Clarify checks bias, and Model Monitor tracks deployed models. Question 37. Which action most directly helps reduce bias in a model's outcomes? Is it A. Increasing the temperature parameter? B. Training on data that is representative and balanced across relevant groups? C. Deleting all monitoring logs? D. Choosing a region closer to users? The correct answer is B. Bias often stems from unrepresentative data, so curating balanced, representative training data is a primary mitigation. Inference settings, log deletion, and region choice do not address the root cause of bias. Question 38. Asking a model to think step by step and show its reasoning before giving a final answer is which prompting technique? Is it A. Retrieval augmentation with external documents? B. Zero-shot prompting? C. Negative prompting? D. Chain-of-thought prompting? The correct answer is D. Chain-of-thought prompting encourages the model to reason through intermediate steps, which can improve performance on multi-step problems. Zero-shot gives no examples, and retrieval augmentation supplies external documents. Question 39. Building a customer service virtual assistant that holds natural, open-ended conversations is a common use case for what? Is it A. Generative AI large language models? B. A tabular regression model? C. Optical character recognition? D. A classical time series forecasting model? The correct answer is A. Open-ended conversational assistants are a hallmark generative AI and LLM use case. Regression and forecasting predict numbers, and OCR extracts text from images, none of which conduct free-form dialogue. Question 40. Automatically removing customers' personal identifiers from data used with an AI system primarily supports which responsible AI dimension? Is it A. Privacy and data protection? B. Latency optimization? C. Cost reduction? D. Model explainability and interpretability? The correct answer is A. Stripping or redacting personal identifiers protects individuals' privacy and limits exposure of sensitive data, supporting the privacy and security dimension. It is distinct from explainability or performance tuning.